explains explain these sums. These are based on trigonometry, that is inverse trigonometry. Tan inverse of 1 root 3 plus cos inverse of a minus 1 by 2. You need to evaluate, is it not? Right. Sir. Tan inverse of root 3 plus pi minus cos inverse of 1 by 2, because we need to remove the signs, minus sign. So pi by 3, so if we in radians, it is pi by 3. What is the formula for this to convert this? Pi minus cos inverse of 1 by 2. So it is a cos inverse of x is equal to pi minus a cos inverse of x. So you put x and you can replace it. So cos inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse of x. That is the formula. So you must always write the formula. Okay. Then if we convert it into radians, tan inverse of root 3 will be converted into pi by 3. That is a value. Tan inverse of root 3 is nothing but pi by 3. Pi by 3. Okay. Plus pi minus pi by 3, which means cos inverse of 1 by 2. So is pi by 3. And then this pi by 3, if we take LCM for this, it will be coming like 2 pi by 3. So pi by 3. Then pi by 3 plus 2 pi by 3 will be 3 pi by 3. You can also do like this, is it not? For instance, a pi by 3, and this is plus pi. Yes. And this is pi minus pi by 3, minus pi by 3. So you can cancel and straight away you can bring it. Yes, sir. Why you complicate yourself? Okay, got it. Sir. Right, next one. Sine inverse of what is this? Sine phi, sir. Phi. So sine inverse of sine phi is greater than x squared minus 4x. If the condition given, we know 1 radian is equal to 57.75 degree. Why? Because we know already that is 5 radian is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, 1 radian is equal to 180 divided by pi. So substituting the value of a pi by 3.14, you can get it at 57.75 degree. Okay, so this is given. Otherwise, you can find out, right? And it is given as a pi radian. Actually, that is whatever the trigonometric angles given here always indicate radian. It is not the degree. You understand this? So based on that, so this is nothing but 5 radian. So for 1 radian, the value is how much? 57.75. Therefore, for 5 radian, you are multiplying it. Okay, so now you are able to get 288.75. Are you able to follow? So 288.75 means that is it lies between 270 and 2 pi. 270 and 2 pi. So what is 270? 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2. 5 by 2. So that is why you are written here. Okay. And what is this 5 by 2? 5 by 2. Always use this that is quadrant. See that? Okay. 0, pi, and this is pi by 2. What about this? 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2. What about this? Again. So this becomes 2 pi. So 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, likewise it goes. Okay, so it is the n pi. Integral multiples of pi, that is n pi, right? Got it? And similarly, what about this one? This is pi by 2. Okay, add 1, add pi, that is 3 pi by 2. And again here, 5 pi by 2. Is it not? 5 pi by 2. And again here, 7 pi by 2. So likewise. So that is why we put 2n plus 1 of pi by 2. Okay? Right. So it means this is the angle. 5 by 2 is nothing but the 5 by 2 in the next cycle. Is it not? Where is it going? So 5 pi by 2. So it lies between these two. So 5. Therefore, sine of sine phi should be which quadrant here? That is, this is 3 pi by 2 means it's 270, and 5 pi by 2 means this much. Okay. So it lies between here, from here to here. Okay. So therefore, in this case, sine inverse of sine phi, which is nothing but a phi minus 2 pi. Okay. Are you able to understand this? Do you understand this? Yes, sir. Right. So therefore, sine inverse of sine phi, that is greater than, that is as per the given statement. What is that? X squared minus 4x. Now this value is 5 minus 2 pi. Okay, so 5 minus 2 pi is greater than x squared minus 4x. right? So, therefore, x squared minus, you can reverse it. So, x squared minus 4x, okay, listen to me. This is the inequality concept, okay? So, x squared minus 4x. So, how do you arrive at this one? For example, let me put here. So, you have here 5, 5 minus 2 pi. Okay, so you want to get the x value. Okay, so what you are doing, x squared minus 4x, you are rearranging means you have to change the inequality. So here, for example, 3 is less than 5. How can you call it? That is, 5 is greater than 3. Do you understand this? This is the concept of inequality. When you interchange, you have to change the inequality. Do you understand? I think it is very clear. 3 is less than 5. Do you agree with it? Now you want to interchange. So 5. So what you're supposed to do? Make it greater. That's all. Just to change it less than to greater. So likewise we have done greater to less than because we are interchanging this. So now it becomes x squared minus 4x, right? And this 5 minus 2 pi, So this is nothing but a minus of 2 minus pi by 5. And that is why actually, that is you must write in steps here. Take my more sheet. Listen to me carefully. See, 5 minus 2 pi is greater than x squared minus 4x. Okay, now let us interchange. What is that? X squared minus 4x is less than 5 minus 2 pi. Do you understand this? So x squared minus 4x is less than, you can rearrange this and put minus. Okay, so 2 pi minus 5. Do you understand? You just put minus into 2 pi minus 2 pi. Minus of minus 5 plus 5. So this can be written like this. Do you understand this? Okay, so now you can bring this side. When you bring this side, means what? Actually, that is you are adding on both sides. Is it not? You are adding 2 pi minus 5 on both sides, right? That is the meaning. Okay. Adding. So this cancel. This is cancelled. So 2 pi minus 5 is cancelled. Less than. And what about this? X squared minus 4x plus 2 pi minus 5. I hope now you should be able to understand how it has become 5. Now, see, that is we have simply changed as um, here. Okay. X squared minus 4x. Okay. 2 pi minus 5 less than 0. Are you able to understand this? How it has changed? Is it clear? Right. Now x squared minus 4x plus 2 pi and then minus 5. Then subsequently what you can do, that is this 2 minus 9 square root of 9 minus 2 pi. Okay. And huh? Because x squared, here we have taken this as x squared minus 4x plus 2 pi minus 5 is equal to 0. That is nothing but we want to evaluate this, and you have to apply the quadratic formula, quadratic equation. Okay, so quadratic, how you are doing quadratic equation? Minus b plus or minus the whole square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So they have substituted this formula and obtained the value of x. Got this point? Okay, so you have to adopt this formula, and now you are able to get x is equal to 2 plus x is equal to 2 plus or minus the whole square root of, and then 9 minus 2 pi. Okay, so they have taken this, for example, let us compare this x squared minus 4x plus 2 pi minus 5, which is the constant. This is the constant, and this is bx. Okay, so you can put ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to what? 1. B is equal to what? Minus 4. C is equal to what? 2 pi minus 5. So you can apply this here in this formula so that you are able to get it. Got it? Right. So now you have found out x is equal to this much. And that is why x belongs to, right? 2 minus of square root of 9 minus 2 pi and a 2 plus because we have got both now plus or minus. Okay, so that is the result. Okay, then what? And are you able to understand this one? Yes. This one? Yes, sir. Right. So it is clarified now? Yes, sir. Right. So